Hey, how's your family?
They're doing well, thanks.
How are your parents?
A bit stressful. They're good but getting older.
Do you visit them often?
Yes, every weekend.
How's your brother doing?
He just started a new job.
Do you have any sisters?
Yes, one younger sister. How are your kids?
They're growing up fast.
Do they like school?
Yes, but they hate homework.
How do you manage work and family?
It's not easy, but I try.
Does your spouse work too?
Yes, she works part-time.
Do you eat dinner together?
Yes, we try every night.
Do your kids help with chores?
Sometimes, but they complain.
How do you spend weekends?
Mostly with family.
Do you take family vacations?
Yes, once a year.
Where did you last travel?
We went to the beach.
Do you visit your relatives often?
Only on holidays.
How are your grandparents?
They are doing well.
Do you call them often?
Yes, every few days.
Do your kids spend time with their grandparents? Yes, they love visiting them.
Do you like working here?
Yes, but it can be stressful.
Does your family support your job?
Yes, they are very understanding.
Do you have any family traditions?
Yes, and they dinner together.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, we have a dog.
Who takes care of the pet?
Mostly my kids.
Do you spend enough time with your family?
I try, but work is busy.
Do you think family is important?
Yes, family always comes first.
Do you celebrate birthdays together?
Yes, always.
Who is the funniest person in your family?
My dad, he tells great jokes.
Do you argue with your siblings?
Sometimes, but we get along.
Do you cook for your family?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you have a big family?
Not really, just a few members.
Do you feel lucky to have your family?
Yes, very lucky.
Do you have any friends?
Yes, I do.
What's his name?
His name is John.
How did you meet?
We met in college.
How long have you been friends?
For almost 10 years.
What do you like about him?
He is kind and funny.
Do you see him often?
Yes, almost every weekend.
What do you usually do together?
We play video games and watch movies.
What's your favorite memory with him?
Our road trip last summer.
Does he have the same hobbies as you?
Yes, we both love sports.
Do you ever fight?
Sometimes, but we always make up.
What's the funniest thing he has done?
He once danced in the rain.
Is he a good listener?
Yes, he always gives great advice.
What's his favorite food?
He loves pizza.
Does he like traveling?
Yes, we travel together often.
What's his biggest dream?
To start his own business.
Is he older or younger than you?
He's the same age as me.
Does he have any pets?
Yes, he has a dog.
Have you ever taken a trip?
Yes, we went to the beach last year.
What's his favorite movie?
He loves action movies.
Do you tell him all your secrets?
Yes, I trust him completely.
What does he do for work?
He's a graphic designer.
Does he like reading books?
Yes, he reads a lot.
What do you usually talk about?
Everything: life, work, and dreams.
Have you ever surprised him?
Yes, on his birthday.
What's one thing you admire about him?
His positive attitude.
Do you think you'll be friends forever?
Yes, definitely.
Does he support your goals?
Always, he encourages me a lot.
What's one thing he always says?
Never give up.
How would you describe him in one word?
Loyal.
Are you lucky to have him as a best friend?
Yes, very lucky.
Why are you late today?
I'm sorry, I missed the bus.
How often does this happen?
Not very often.
What time do you usually leave home?
Around 7 a.m.
What caused the delay?
There was heavy traffic.
Did you inform anyone?
No, I forgot to call.
You should notify me next time.
Yes, I will.
How late were you today?
About 30 minutes.
What can you do to avoid this?
I will leave earlier.
Have you been late before?
Only once last month.
Do you have personal issues affecting work?
No, it was just today.
I need you to be punctual.
I understand.
What is our office start time?
9 a.m. sharp.
Do you have a backup plan for transport?
Yes, I can take a taxi.
Were you working late last night?
Yes, I slept very late last night.
Is this going to happen again?
No, I'll be careful.
How will you make up for lost time?
I will stay late today.
Do you respect office discipline?
Yes, absolutely.
Have you apologized to your team?
Not yet, but I will.
Do you think lateness affects productivity?
Yes, it does.
What would you do if an employee under you was late?
I would remind them of the rules.
Do you like working here?
Yes, I do.
Are you committed to improving?
Yes, I will improve.
Have you read the company policy on punctuality?
Yes, I have.
How do you manage your time in the morning?
Set multiple alarms.
Do you think we should be stricter with lateness?
Yes, it's important.
Will you try harder to be on time?
Yes, definitely.
What if you are late again?
I will accept the consequences.
Do you understand why this is important?
Yes, punctuality matters.
Can I count on you to be on time?
Yes, you can.
All right, get to work now.
Thank you, I will.
Hi, I'm John. Nice to meet you.
Hi, John. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Is this your first day here?
Yes, I just joined today.
What's your position?
I'm a marketing assistant. You?
I work in the sales department.
That sounds interesting.
Where are you from?
I'm from New York. You?
I'm from Chicago. Do you like the city?
Yes, but I'm still exploring.
How was your first day so far?
It's been good but a bit overwhelming.
Don't worry, you'll get used to.
Thanks, that's reassuring.
Have you met our manager yet?
Yes, he seems really nice.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love it.
There's a great coffee shop nearby.
That sounds great. Let's go sometime.
What do you do in your free time?
I like reading and hiking. You?
I enjoy playing basketball.
That's cool.
Do you live nearby?
Yes, about 15 minutes away.
How do you get to work?
I take the subway. You?
I drive to work.
That must be convenient.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop and jazz. You?
I enjoy rock music.
Nice.
Have you tried the cafeteria food?
Not yet. Is it good?
It's decent, but there are better places nearby.
Good to know.
Do you prefer working in teams or alone?
I like working in teams. You?
Same. It makes work more fun.
Totally agree.
What's your favorite part of the job so far?
Meeting new people like you.
That's a great answer.
Thanks.
Let's grab coffee after work.
Sounds like a plan.